Once you signed in for the online masterclass, you immediately get a link so that you have direct and unlimited access to all the content. And it's very easy to use. Yeah, you just scroll and you automatically see the different chapters, the different sections. We cover the upper extremity, the lower extremity, the spine. And you just choose the chapter of your choice, you click, and then you see all the films of that specific chapter. You would like to go back to another chapter, no problem, just go back, choose another chapter, and there again you see the other films. In total there are about 113 films at this moment, but of course in the future there are updates and extra films, so you see it's super easy to use. You have everything here right with you, everything for your success in musculoskeletal medicine. So, join today.